Separation anxiety disorder is an intense fear of being separated from a loved one or caregiver. It affects both children and adults. Separation anxiety can be a very normal emotion in young children, but when this anxiety interferes with everyday life at a certain age, it becomes a disorder that needs to be treated. Separation anxiety disorder may affect you or someone you know if they experience excessive fear or anxiety about being separated from someone or something to which they are emotionally attached. A treatment plan for separation anxiety disorder is a personalized plan outlining the specific goals and interventions for treating your separation anxiety disorder. This is a strategy tailored to your specific requirements and symptoms. People who tend to use separation anxiety treatment plans are psychiatrists, psychologists, social workers, counselors, and individuals with separation anxiety disorder. To use our separation anxiety disorder treatment plan, follow these steps. Download our free PDF on our Carepatron platform and fill out your patient's details at the top. Fill out the initial assessment section explaining what the patient's presenting symptoms are, their diagnosis, and their short and long-term goals. Next, fill out the treatment plan section. Your patients and you will determine the appropriate treatment interventions such as psychotherapy, medication, relaxation techniques, and family involvement. Lastly, fill out the table to create a timeline on how these treatment methods will be used over the week. Here is a sample of our separation anxiety disorder treatment plan. You can find this in our Carepatron platform, which you can access through the link in the description. To find our separation anxiety disorder treatment plan, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patient. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.